there, boys and girls. How are you? Hey, listen, I looked at Seesaw today for the math assignments, and I think there's only 2 of you that have signed up. So you need to find your code and get signed up for Seesaw. I sent directions. I sent a picture of the directions with your personal code to Dojo. So your parents, one of your parents or grandparents should have that on their phone. Look it up, sign in, and then I'll show you, and then watch the video that's on the math assignment it was there Tuesday. So go back to Tuesday, look at that recording, and it will tell you how to get on Seesaw. It's also going to tell you how to do your first assignment. For Wednesday, once you get logged on, you can look at the video on Wednesday's day on our homepage, and it will tell you how to do today's assignment, okay? And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So hang on, let's switch our screen. Okay, so on Wednesday, you're going to go to our Eagles homepage in Canvas. You're going to click on Wednesday. You're going to go to your math assignment. It's going to tell you to go to Seesaw. You're going to come up here to Activities after you get logged in. When you get to Activities, it's going to look like this. There's the first activity that I asked you to do. If you're done, don't worry about it. If you're not done, do it. And watch the video on Tuesday's page to tell you how to do this family interview math assignment. Your assignment for Wednesday is a multiplication problem solving, and it's a mat that looks like the one we already have been using. The tricky part is going to be using the Seesaw tools. So here are the directions that I wrote, and then I recorded me reading the directions to you. Okay, so it's there. The first thing you're going to do is go here to open the assignment. Add response. Ta-da, here we go. Then you can look at the directions anytime you need to if you can't remember. Okay, here's one multiplication strategy, repeated addition. A second strategy is to do an array. Your third strategy is to do groups. And the last thing that you can do is make up a story problem that goes with your equation. The equation that I did on my example that's up on the activities page was a 4 times something. Your job tomorrow will be to do a multiple of 2. When you come in, the first thing you're going to do is choose one of your tools down here to write your problem with. I'm going to choose the marker, and I'm going to write my problem. 4 times 5 equals, and I don't know yet. I'm going to use my strategies. I think for repeated addition, I'm going to choose the pencil, and I'm going to choose red. Let's see. Then I'm going to make my pencil thick. I'm going to say repeated addition, how many times? 5 times 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Okay. Then down here, I can choose one of these tools, or it says I can use my text button over here to make my array. When I'm done with my array, I'm going to choose one of these tools to show my groups of 4 with 5. And then the last thing I'm going to do is think up a problem. A story problem that tells this story of 4 times 5 equals something. First I'm going to use the text to, I can go down here. I'm going to move my box. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to choose style. This one worked really well because it's small enough to fit. And I'm going to have it way over to the side. And in here, I can text my story. For friends. And then I'll write my story. And I'll leave it here. When you see my final product, you'll see. And then don't forget to write your answer. You can also use this recorder right here. You can use this recorder to record your story problem. 4 friends went for a walk on the beach. They each collected 5 shells. How many shells did they collect all together? When I'm done, I'm going to go over here and click Done. Now it asks me, am I happy with my recording or do I want to re-record it? I'm going to say, and I can listen to it right here. I'm going to say, I'm happy with it. Done. Uploading. And then it's going to post up here where I can see it. So this is the one I just did with you. Here's the one I did as my example. Four friends went on a beach walk. They each collected 5 shells. How many shells were there all together? Okay, and that's all you have to do. When you get this far and you've posted it up on this page, then you're all done. I will read it and comment on it, and I'll put it up here in our class journal. Okay, I hope you have fun with this. Enjoy playing with it. Don't worry about making a mistake. You can make a new sheet and get rid of that one. So play with those buttons and figure out how they work so that we get good at this and we can use Seesaw all the time. We'll even be able to use it when we come back to our real classroom, our physical classroom. All right, you guys, I hope you have fun with this, and I will talk to you soon.